welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, I kind of sound like James Charles, but whatever. But today we're unboxing a new package. But hope you enjoyed. But I know y'all missed me. Like I missed you too. Like yeah. But so if you're wondering like Akansha, where have you been? Or also make it all, where have you been? Or AK7DOLLTV, where have you been? But I was doing some project online class, playing a tad bit of Roblox, not Robux, but yeah, we're unboxing a new package and I hope you enjoy the video. Also, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to her. And also make sure to hit the bell and yeah, it'll show you like how many videos I uploaded. It'll tell you when I uploaded. Let's let's move on to the video. I don't know why I speak a lot too much, but let's continue on with the video.
I scream your name. Hello, hello.
Stay up in line. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay up in line. You're making.
Few moments later.
Okay, let's see what it is. Woo! What does this button do? Okay, that meme was kind of popular, but okay. I don't know why I sound like this, but let's open the package. Ooh, nice. So, this is the pen. You might think you might thought that I bought like the Apple Pen iPad. No, it's expensive, and I'm not spending my money on that. But yeah. So, let's start opening it. I don't know why I sound like a brat. But let's start. So let's open this package. It's right here. It's right here. I'm sorry if I did it a very uncomfortable way for you. You could skip this part if you want. But this is the tip of the pen. It looks very nice. Yeah. It is the tip of the... Why do things get stuck in my skirt a lot? I don't think that's normal, but let's open the pen. Ooh. But I don't know what is this for, but maybe if this broke, that's why you have it. So that's why. This is the use for this pen. If it breaks, if your dog accidentally bites it, or a cat, you have an extra one. But if the extra one is broken, I don't know what advice I should give you. I'm very sorry. Now let's move on to the highlights of this product. So, if you're wondering which brand this is the brand called ELV. They made this. And it's kind of decent. The price is kind of decent. Like, it's not expensive at all. So, let's move on. More highlights of this product. It has a great build quality, which is very amazing. This stylus pen is sleek and slim like always, like every single normal pen. It can fit in your hand perfectly. Even your children can hold it. Let's move on to the next highlight of this product, aka the design. It can fit your hand perfectly and it's lightweight. It is very compact in size and you can use it for a very long time without any pain. It is very compatible with all touchscreen devices, which is awesome. iPhone, any type of brand iPad, Kindle, tablet, and etc. This pen comes with a replaceable tip. So let me put this here. That was very satisfying. You have this bad guy. If you're wondering how to take this off, just like pull the pen, like just pull this bad pen out if it's bad, and then you have this guy. But if this goes bad, I don't know how to help you. I don't know. I'm very sorry. But let's continue with the next one. But let me put it back because this was very satisfying. It is made of stainless steel and aluminum. 4 added durability and strength. Amazing! It has a secure cap from protecting from damages. This pen comes with a clear disc, and make sure to not damage it because this is what you use for moving the phone screen or like a tablet. But let's move on to the next highlight of this product. The tip is very sensitive and very accurate while marking. Don't do it hard though; it may break the tip. Thank God you have an extra one. But if the extra one breaks, I'm sorry, I don't have any advice for you. Let's move on to the next highlight of the product. Let's talk about its design. I never start a sentence with a high-pitched voice, but there's actually a little thing that probably some of you guys didn't know. You can actually scribble back in the bottom, like same with every normal like writing pen on paper. Like let's continue more talking about design. Let's continue talking about the design more. It comes with a 10 days warranty in case if like these both goes bad or something. But yeah, they could give you more or something like that. It's just a 10 days warranty after all. It is made in India. I mean, it's kind of obvious, right? This tiny thing only weighs 45 grams. So it means anyone can hold it. Except for an ant or any type of beetle or bug. They are really the smallest thing on earth. But let's continue on with the next one. This is available in 2 color variants. I mean, it's not a lot of colors, but jet black and normal blue. Probably. It comes with drop protection. It comes with scratch protection. It doesn't scratch your screen, tablet, phone or tab. It also comes with dust protection. It is easy to install. Let's move on with the demo. So as you see, I'm using the Stylus pen and it works. So I'm going to use an app that I always use for like editing and stuff. So for example, Gacha Life or Gacha Club, I should say. Oh, it's not loading, but it has to look like this. Okay, please don't. Okay, it's pretty normal for me to look like this, but yeah. Luna May made this. It's all my characters. This is your iPad. If you know what Gacha Life is or Gacha Club, I should say, like, you probably know all this stuff. This is the battle, but I'm not spending my diamonds yet. I'm gonna spend on this. I'm doing a Gacha shopping spree. Okay. So if this is there, it means you'll get something new. Robin. Okay. Oop, that sounds probably copyrighted. Don't know, but this is what Gacha Club is. But if you don't know what Tiny Master is, it's where all like new YouTubers or like other type of Gacha YouTubers or like different type of YouTubers or animators. So alright, this is my first ever video I made on this phone. Yes, I have another phone. I don't know why, but okay. This is so bad. Okay, but this is, oh my god, I accidentally went out of that. Oh my god. But yeah. So these are the music videos, but yeah, I don't know what to title them. I don't know what to title this video, but I don't know why I named this color to change. This is just another test I found in Gacha Life or Club. This one, I don't know the test. Like all my videos are kind of weird. What to buy? What to buy? Oh my god, what is that, Z? Oh my, is that a kid? I hope that this is perfect. I hope my mom likes it. Wait, is that my sis? I have to leave. But yeah, I'm not gonna show you the full thing. What the hell? Okay, a plane crashed. How sad. Never get to play with my pet. It's kind of long, but oh, don't like this mistake. Sweetheart, it's dinner time. Come here. Aw, man. I guess bye-bye, Coco. Yeah. This took a kind of long time to... Okay, I'm not going to show you this one since it's very cringy. Yeah, this is a bear blinking. Idiot, you know how to spell owl. I know how to spell owl. Okay, but yeah, that's all the videos I have in here. This pen is skating on the tab. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the demo. So, this is literally so sleek. If you're like bored using your fingers and like you can't even draw something in IBIS paint or whatever like paint app you're using, You could use this bad guy or dude, but okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you know when I upload my videos. And also you can share the video. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much guys for all the subscribers that I have. Oh my god, I should do a 1K special, but whatever. Take care. Have an awesome day. Bye.
But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive.